Ready to uncover the hidden layers of one of the world's most fascinating cities? Join us as we dive into the secrets of Mexico City. What lies beneath the vibrant streets of Mexico City? This sprawling metropolis, with its lively atmosphere and colorful culture, holds many untold stories and hidden layers. A history as layered and complex as its world-famous mole sauce. Each ingredient in the mole tells a story, just like each corner of this city whispers secrets of its past. An energy that vibrates from the ancient stones to the sleek modern skyscrapers. The juxtaposition of the old and new creates a unique rhythm that defines Mexico City. It's a city of contrasts, where Aztec temples peek out from beneath colonial churches, revealing a rich tapestry of history and culture interwoven through time. And street food stalls stand in the shadows of Michelin-starred restaurants. Here, the humble taco shares the stage with gourmet cuisine, showcasing the city's diverse culinary landscape. This isn't a city you just visit. It's an experience that envelops you, drawing you into its vibrant life and dynamic spirit. It's a city you feel in your bones. The festivals, the music, the art, they all resonate deeply, leaving an indelible mark on your soul. A city that gets under your skin and stays with you long after you've left. The memories you make here are not just fleeting moments, but lasting impressions. Come with me and let's uncover the secrets of Mexico City together. Let's delve into its mysteries, explore its hidden gems, and experience the magic that makes this city truly unforgettable. Beneath the bustling markets and modern avenues, whisper the ghosts of empires past. Once the heart of the Aztec Empire, Tenochtitlan, a city built on a lake, ruled a vast dominion. Conquered and razed by the Spanish conquistadors, the city was rebuilt on the very ruins of its former glory. Spanish colonial architecture rose, a stark contrast to the remnants of the Aztec pyramids. This clash of civilizations, this merging of cultures, is etched into the very soul of the city. It's a living tapestry, woven from the threads of indigenous pride and colonial influence. Mexico City is a city of faces, a kaleidoscope of humanity. Each face tells a story, a unique narrative woven into the fabric of this vibrant city. Over 21 million souls, a mix of indigenous heritage and descendants of Spanish colonists, call this sprawling metropolis home. The city is a living testament to centuries of history, culture, and resilience. Walk down any street and you'll hear a symphony of languages, a mix of indigenous dialects, and the lilting cadence of Mexican Spanish. The air is filled with the sounds of conversations, laughter, and the occasional street musician playing a familiar tune. The streets are alive with energy, a constant hum of activity from dawn till dusk, and beyond. Vendors shout their wares, children play in the parks, and the aroma of street food wafts through the air, tantalizing your senses. It's a city that never sleeps, a city that pulses with the energy of its people, a city that embraces you with open arms, welcoming you into its chaotic embrace. As night falls, the city transforms, its streets illuminated by neon lights, and the nightlife comes alive with music, dance, and celebration. Every corner of Mexico City has a story to tell, and every story adds to the rich tapestry of this incredible metropolis. The thirst for knowledge runs deep in the veins of this city. Home to the oldest university in North America, the National Autonomous University of Mexico, Mexico City has been a beacon of learning for centuries. Walk the halls of its universities, and you'll be surrounded by the ghosts of great thinkers, revolutionaries, and artists who once graced these very halls. The city's legacy of education is evident in its vibrant cultural scene, its museums, its art galleries, and its theaters. This is a city that nourishes the mind as much as it does the soul. Section 5. Treasures hidden in plain sight. Mexico City is a treasure trove of history and art. Majestic colonial buildings, remnants of the Spanish Empire, stand tall alongside sleek modern architecture. Lose yourself in the bohemian neighborhood of La Condesa, with its Art Deco mansions and sidewalk cafes. Wander through the historic center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and marvel at the Metropolitan Cathedral, the largest cathedral in the Americas. And don't miss the Frida Kahlo Museum, a poignant tribute to Mexico's iconic artist, where you can almost hear the echoes of her laughter and pain. Section 6. A Symphony of Flavors. Mexico City is a feast for the senses, a city where the air itself is infused with the aroma of spices. Forget the Tex-Mex you've had back home, this is the real deal, a symphony of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. From the humble street tacos to the complex moles passed down through generations, Mexican cuisine is an art form. It's a celebration of life, a testament to the ingenuity of its people, who can transform simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. So come hungry and be prepared to be amazed. Section 7. Forged in the heart of the city, Mexico City has produced a constellation of stars, luminaries who have shone their light on the world stage. Frida Kahlo, the revolutionary artist whose self-portraits are windows into her soul, her pain, and her resilience. Octavio Paz, the Nobel Prize-winning poet whose words captured the essence of Mexican identity, the beauty and the sorrow, the hope and the despair. These are just two of the countless souls who have drawn inspiration from the city's vibrant energy. Section 8. Where the past dances with the present. Mexico City is a place where the past is never truly gone. It's a city that breathes history, where every corner tells a story, and every street echoes with the footsteps of those who came before. It's embedded in the very fabric of the city, in its architecture, its food, its music, its people. The vibrant colors of traditional Mexican dishes, the soulful tunes of mariachi bands, and the bustling streets filled with a mosaic of faces all contribute to this living tapestry. The ancient Aztec gods haven't been forgotten. Their presence is felt in the rhythmic dances performed in public squares, in the intricate carvings that adorn ancient ruins, and in the stories passed down through generations. They linger in the shadows of the pyramids, in the rituals of everyday life, in the whispers of the wind. The pyramids of Teotihuacan stand as silent sentinels, watching over the city, their shadows stretching across time. Mexico City is a city of contrasts, a place where ancient traditions coexist with modern sensibilities. Here you can find sleek skyscrapers standing tall beside centuries-old cathedrals and bustling markets where traditional crafts are sold alongside the latest technology. It's a place where you can wander through the ruins of an ancient temple in the morning and catch a world-class opera in the evening. The juxtaposition of the old and the new creates a unique harmony that is both captivating and inspiring. It's a city that defies categorization, a city that will surprise you at every turn. From its rich cultural heritage to its dynamic modern life, Mexico City is a place where the past and present dance together in a beautiful, ever-evolving rhythm. Section 9. The Secrets Beckon. So come explore the heart of Mexico, uncover the layers of history, taste the explosion of flavors, and lose yourself in the energy of its people. Mexico City is waiting to embrace you, to share its secrets, to captivate your senses. Are you ready to answer its call, like, share and subscribe?